The Mould King 1312 Excavator Set is a remote control construction vehicle set that offers a full 360-degree rotating cab, flexible swinging arm and shovel, allowing it to traverse various terrains. With a total of 1,930 pieces, this set is easy to assemble thanks to the independent packaging numbered bags and a detailed manual with clear assembly steps. This set is not just a toy, but a STEM project that challenges children during assembly and provides a sense of achievement upon completion, stimulating creativity and imagination. The vehicle can be controlled via remote or a mobile application, offering two different modes for control: remote control mode and programming function. This set serves as an ideal gift for children, offering not just a toy, but an opportunity for them to develop patience, build hands-on skills, and have fun with family or friends. The Mould King 1312 Excavator Set is highly rated with a review score of 4.2 and has sold 100 units monthly, indicating its popularity among consumers.